Hello everybody. In this video I want to show you how to add profile bio or profile description for your Facebook profile. So in order to do this, let's open up your Facebook app. You click on the profile picture or go for the profile manually right here. Then edit the profile. Here you can find the bio. So let's click on add. And here you can write anything about yourself, be it your hobbies, your passion, something that describes you, or whatever. So let's add. For example, let's add adventures for my profile. And then just save it. Now let's get back to our profile and refresh the page. And there you have added your bio.